Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today, 2nd May 2025. This video is on a recent Nature article published on 23rd April 2025 titled BMAL1 HIF2A heterodimer or protein duo, how it modulates circadian variations of myocardial injury or heart attacks. There's an accompanying news and views article titled Heart Attack Outcomes Are Worse in the Morning when the activity of this protein duo dips. What's this all about? This study found that the time of the day can change how much damage the heart gets during a heart attack. The body has a natural clock called circadian rhythm that controls things like sleep, hunger, and even how well the heart heals. Meet the heart's timekeepers. 3 main proteins or molecules are like characters in this story. BMAL1, the clock keeper of your body. HIF2α or HIF2A, a sensor that turns on when your body has low oxygen. Amphiregulin or AREG, a helper that repairs heart tissue. What did they discover? BMAL1 and HIF2A team up at certain times of the day to turn on amphiregulin, the repair helper. This team works best in the afternoon around 3 p.m., helping the heart recover better then. In the early morning, like 3 a.m., the team is weak and the heart suffers more. How did they study this? They used mice that had heart attacks at different times of the day. They used heart cells in a dish with low oxygen. They used knockout mice, especially missing BMAL1 or HIF2A. They used cryo-electron microscopy to take tiny 3D pictures of the proteins working together. What if BMAL1 or HIF2A is missing? Without BMAL1 or HIF2A, the heart doesn't get repair instructions. Amphiregulin or AREG doesn't show up and the damage is worse. It's like removing half the repair crew. Can this help real people? Yes. Giving extra amphiregulin or using medicines to boost BMAL1 or HIF2A helped the heart heal. If given at the right time, the heart recovered better. This could lead to clock-timed medicine or chronotherapy. Are morning heart attacks worse? Exactly. People who have heart attacks in the morning often have worse outcomes. Now we understand why. The body's repair system isn't fully awake yet. Why is this cool? It shows how your body's clock is not just about sleep. It can change how you survive a heart attack. This could change when we give heart treatments to save more lives. Podcast brought to you by Master MedFacts at mastermedfacts.com.